Designed by Davorin Savnik, the Iskra ATA 32 was produced between 1965 and 1976 in the city of Kranj, then in Yugoslavia, and now the fourth largest city in Slovenia. The ATA 32 was the first Iskra telephone to have a thermoplastic case and succeeded the more traditional ATA 11 and ATA 12. Many of you will know that Iskra means spark, hence the trademark that appears on the dials and molded into the clear plastic handset rest of the ATA 32. At its peak in 1982, Iskra employed 32,000 people and was producing innovative designs like the ATA 32 and the much-copied ETA 80, also designed by Davorin Savnik. An unusual feature of the ATA 32 is that the transmitter and receiver caps, although square, are secured with a screw thread. Also distinctive is the rotating ringer adjuster, which is mounted horizontally. The ringer and the circuitry are conventional, but the printed circuit board design was more advanced than many in the 1960s. This clearly labeled jumper inserts a resistor in the receiver circuit on short PABX, private automatic branch exchange, lines. Here are a few more views of the interior of the ATA 32, concluding with its paystar. Iskra dials tend to be lightly sprung and quiet in operation, as shown in this demonstration.